Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a consistent baseline. Choose aperture priority if depth of field matters, or shutter priority for motion, manual if you want full control. Once done, pick a metering mode, matrix for average scenes, center for portraits, spot for precise highlights. Make sure ISO is fixed to your acceptable noise level and set a sensible exposure compensation range. Now engage AE lock behavior so the camera holds a measured exposure while you recompose. This prevents unintended shifts as you frame. You now read the scene. Check the meter and histogram to judge clipping or underexposure. If highlights are blowing out, apply negative compensation in 1/3 or 1/2 EV increments. If shadows lack detail, dial positive compensation. Once you spot a critical area, switch to spot metering and meter off the subject, then recompose. Make sure to verify results on a quick playback with highlight warnings enabled. If using continuous lighting changes, enable AE smoothing or back button focus. You finish by locking the exposure once the preview and histogram agree, and shoot a bracket set, one stop over and under to ensure capture. Make sure you're recording RAW if you need latitude for recovery of highlights or shadows. If the camera hunts or exposure flickers under mixed or pulsing light, change metering mode, reduce continuous AF activity, or switch to manual exposure for the sequence. If problems persist, reset AE settings to defaults and reapply your saved profile before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.